how to download Spotify on Mac. So in all, there could be three ways that you listen to music on Spotify. The first one, you just go to the website. So you just open your browser, then you type in open.spotify.com, and there you have it. You can just sign in and then listen to music, right? The second way could be you can just download this website as an app. So you can just go to the top over here. Here you can see we have install Spotify option. Click on it, and here you can see we have install application. Hit install, and then it's become an app. So something you need to know, this is actually running as an application, but it is a browser tab. So the browser tab has become an application. However, if you go to Launchpad and then swipe, here you can see we have a Spotify application. So this isn't the official application, but it will work. The second way is you just go to the App Store, type in Spotify, and hit enter, and then you realize there is no Spotify application. So again, you go to your browser and then you type in download Spotify for Mac, and then you hit download again. It is going to download a DMG file. So here you can see it has actually downloaded it into the downloads. And now if I open it, here you can see it's going to actually ask for authentication, and once you hit yes, it's going to start downloading and installing Spotify as a repeat. So it is going to start downloading and installing the Spotify application officially. This is the official app. And here you can see again, this is the official Spotify application. So I'll just make it bigger for you guys. And this is the official Spotify application. I can just log in. Obviously, it is going to take you through the browser. And then you can click continue on application after you've put in your password. And here it will ask whether you want to find local devices. So I'm going to click OK so that I can connect easily to my Bluetooth devices. And that is about it. I have logged into my Spotify application, and this is the official application. So that is very helpful. So if you find the video helpful, do drop a like, share, and subscribe.